This project is about a EasyExplore app. The main goal is to focus on the tourists who are continuously visiting in a different places, and we try to make their experience in a gamify way and in-app blogging that boost their engagement activities. So let's start with login. So I'm logging with my account. So if I log in, this is our dashboard, EasyExplore dashboard, and it welcomes the user, and we can start exploring. So if I start exploring, and this gives us a gamified view where we can visit each place and contribute to any other place. So let's say this is my profile, and I can visit any place, and this gives us a gamify view and a badge for an experience point. And at the top we can see we have a top contributor, so we can make contribution. So if I want to visit this Bangladesh military museum, if I click visit here, it basically gives us a gamify view, and it leads to that place, and we can see that place details with name, and in that place how many user has been uploaded blogs or sharing their memories, so we can like or dislike them. So let's get back, and it has one more feature, which is let's say I have explored a new place and that place is not in that app. So what we will do, we can it says let us know and get bonus point. So if I click there, let's say I have discovered a new place called Romna Park, and if I copy the address, and let's say this description, and if I upload a picture, so with uploading a picture, if I add, and it says your request has been submitted, so this place is currently not added, so it goes to admin panel, and we need to verify that that place is actually exist, or this is a valid place or not. So let's look at that. My current experience point is 0. So if I go back and log out and try to log in as an admin, so if I log in as an admin, so admin will also be able to add places. It's the admin's job. And there is another option, which is new place discovery. If I click there, I can see that a user named Rakibul Hassan has been suggested a place and location with proper picture. So admin verifies that this place is actually exist and it's available for this app, so I can add this. So added successfully. So if I log out and try to log in as the previous account, if I log in and start exploring, I can see that this place has been added, and it gives us a gamified view to make the travel and tourism more exciting. And we can see that the experience point has been upgraded to increased by 70, which is a bonus point. And let's look at the current pages, which is newbie. So let's try to visit there. So if I go there and it's visit, and it shows us basic information about that place. Now let's try to contribute for this place. So if I click contribute, so there is two type of contribute I can make. One is I can upload a blog, and other is I can share local transaction. Let's say I have started my journey from Shonirakra, and I want to go to the Shahabag. So how many steps, what are the local transaction I can make? So let's see that feature later. First let's upload a blog. So if I copy that and paste it, it's a blog, and I have taken a picture. So this is a blog picture. So with proper text and proper image and blog, written blog, I can upload this. So blog has been uploaded. So you can see there is a flag mark which indicates that I have contributed this place. So this gives user also a boost and lots of engagement, and made their excitement much higher. So if I visit there, I can see that a new user has been posted a blog with proper picture, and there will be multiple user simultaneously. And if I want, I can like it, so increase the like. If I want, I can dislike it, which dislike by 1. And so there is one other thing I can do. Let's say um, let's try to log in as a different user, which is okay. So this is Mahbub Hassan. So if I start exploring, and we can see that current contributor is Rakibul Hassan, has the highest contributor. So if I go there and visit there, I can see that blog, and as a different user I can like this blog, so there is 2 like now. So if I go and go back and logging at the previous account, so if I start exploring, I can see that my my experience point has been increased by 6, which is per like it will be 3. So per like the experience point will be increased by 3. So since I have 2 likes, so it's made total 6 point in my account. So let's try to make a different type of contribution. So let's try to make a different type of contribution, which is, now I want to share a local transaction. I have faced a local transaction, I want to share a local transaction. So my initial location is Shoni Rakhra, and how many transaction step, let's say there might be a direct transaction, or I might require to take rickshaw, then take CNG, then take public transportation, and I'll be able to suggest that. So let's say there is 3 step, and it's basically saying the step 1 destination. So from Shoniakra I want to go to Jatrabari, and I want to use auto for this. And for the step 2, from Jatrabari I want to go to let's say Gulistan, and vehicle I have been using bus, so I have taken bus. And for there I want to go to my final destination, which is Shahabag. So from Gulistan I want to Shahabag with, let's say, CNG. I want to go with CNG. So if I complete there, it says that transaction has been updated. Now if I visit there, I can see that this user has been made a transaction, which is local transaction, which is start from Shoniakra to Jatrabari by auto, from Jatrabari to Gulistan by bus, and Gulistan to Shahabag by CNG. So if I make another contribution, so let's say I want to make a different contribution. Let's say I want to add a different place. Let's say I want to add a TSC, and location is Dhaka University, and some description, and let's say some image, local image. So I am currently using a different image, let's say this image. So let's use a dummy image. So if I use that, so I have been added, so request has been made. So if I go back and log out and try to log in as an admin, so if I log in as an admin, so there is one other option, which is local transaction. So whenever this local transaction has been made, so I need to, as an admin, I need to approve or verify. I need to approve or verify that this actually is correct or not. So if I approve, so it will be approved. And new place discovery, this place discovery, if I add them, it will be added. And if I log out and log in as a user again, if I start exploring, I can see that my experience point significantly higher, which is, let's say for this place, we have a 70 experience point. And since I have contributed here, and this transaction is made valid and it's verified in my account, for each transaction there will be 30 point will be given. So there is 30 point is be given, so total experience point is 176. And my badge upgraded from newbie to pathfinder. So it makes the user more engageable, and it makes the exploration lots more fun. So this gives us a lot of experience. And with using this feature, user will be able to engage more with our app and enjoy their tourism. So thank you for the patience.